Hey everyone, today we're checking out a smart bird feeder that's perfect for Mother's Day or any bird lover in your life. It's more than just a feeder, it's basically a high-tech bird watching assistant. Let's unbox it. So right out of the box you can tell this is made to impress. The packaging is sleek, minimal, and gift ready. Inside we got the feeder itself, the solar panel, the mounting gear, and a quick startup guide. Now here's where it gets smart. The built-in AI can recognize over 10,000 bird species in real time. Just open the app and it tells you exactly who's visiting with detailed info about each bird. You can watch your feeder live from anywhere using the app, snap photos, record videos, and even share them with the cloud instantly. Great for catching that rare sighting or just enjoying the moment later. Thanks to the HD camera and built-in night vision, every feather, color, and flutter is crystal clear, day or night. It's powered by the sun and it connects to your Wi-Fi, so once it's mounted, you're set. No wires, no fuss, just birds. Whether you're gifting it or keeping it for yourself, the Smart Bird Feeder brings nature and tech together in the best way.
The bird house comes with everything you need inside of the box. Simply place the top cover onto the two mounts, the two side mounts, click in, and simply connects the top cover. The main perch connects to the orange perch simply by placing it in the holes and snapping it down into place. And then to make sure everything is nice and tightly secured, you just want to screw in the screw to the back of the main perch. Make sure that is nice and tight. And then once you're all finished with that, you can flip it over and screw in these great fruit holders. They could stick them anywhere on the orange perch and they hold your fruit for the birds. The camera itself can be swiveled downward so that you can have a better viewing angle of the birds while they're in the feeder. Also on top of the camera is the weatherproof outlet. You flip that open is the on button, the USB Type-C charging, and also the memory card storage. Now to place the feeder onto the main perch is really easy. Simply place it on top of it and push down. It's easier if you do it on a flat surface such as a table, and then you push down straight and you push down and it snaps right in. Now don't forget to screw the feeder to the main perch. Now on the side of the feeder there's a weatherproof gasket. Simply open that and there's a USB Type-C charging port for the solar panel. The feeder comes with all the mounting equipment you need. Simply connect the bracket to any solid piece of wood, mount the feeder onto the bracket connected by two screws. It also swivels, allowing for sun and shade during those hot summer days. The feeder can be used with or without the bracket. It can also be placed in trees using the supplied mounting strap. It looks really fantastic at night.